Oh wow. Hi. Do they take this off? I think they do. But anyway. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. So cute. Hi Anna. Ooh, what do we have here?
Check it inside.
Yes, I
Open
will.
this one.
Yay!
It's
Hi! Hello, hello! How are you doing today? Today, we're going to unbox our Labubu time! Thank you, Anna, for making this one happen because without you, I will not probably gonna get it. I tried the stores, they're all out of stock. So thank you for sourcing that for me. And then, so we do have the different bags in here. The small bags, the Goyard one that we have, Menagerie, the Louis Vuitton Danube, the Pinel tote bag. I need to unbox this one for you guys and see what it is. And then also the Birkin 35. So no further ado, let's do this one first. They already opened this because they wanted to check if this is the one that I want. Because it's a blind package that they have, that there's like 6 or 7 boxes in there, and then you will see some of them in it, and then one of these Labubu monsters are gonna be on that box. So that's why they check it out first if those are the ones that I ordered. For anyways, here you go. This is our have a seat. This is Pop Mart. So Pop Mart, we went to Century City in Los Angeles. It was pool packed. I'm with the kids today. Sophia is here. You can see that. Hi, Sophia. She's kind of like curious. And then, of course, beside me is Paris. So yeah. Anyway, so this one is one, and then we went to Pop Mart's what was that one called? Century City in Los Angeles. They're out of stock. We went to South Coast Plaza. They're out of stock. We went to Pop Mart in Rancho Cucamonga. They're out of stock too. But this one, because of the generosity and then sourcing ability of Anna, and then I will put the clip with her giving me this one. Hi Anna. Ooh, what do we have here?
check it inside.
Yes, I
Open
will.
this one.
Yay!
It's I got toffee. This is the macaron version 1.
Oh, okay.
And then this one is the version 2.
And don't tell them what it is yet.
Sure.
And then I have another one here.
Yes.
Ta-da! She got me 2. She sourced me 2. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll unbox it at home.
Yeah.
And then we were able to find 2 of the things that I like. So it is in the box, and then in the box they have the name of it, so you know already what's inside. But I'm going to make it a surprise for you guys. Guess which one did we get for this particular one? There's 6. They're Hehe, Cici, Dada, Zizi, Baba, and QQ. And then there's also a secret one. So those are the ones that they have in here. So this is the first one. Any guesses? Dun, 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 dun. It's QQ. This one is QQ, the mint one, the mint green one. Look how pretty QQ is. And then later we're going to do a bag charm, this decoration or designing with this one. So this one is QQ. She's so cute. So yeah, QQ is so cute. I think we can put her here in front of you. And then there's another one. They already check it out, like I said. And then in the box, like I was telling you guys, that it's inside, you will see the name of who it is. Anyways, Guys, what's going on? This is going crazy, okay? And then the other one is, let's see this one. This one is, I already know who it is. And then this one is, what color is this one gonna be? This one is Baba. Ooh, Baba. Look at the eyes of Baba. Oh my goodness, this is so freaking cute. You can move the arms. So this is Baba. They're kind of like look alike. I like them smiling. I don't like them winking. That's why. So there's Baba and QQ. We go crazy with all this shit, right? Anyway, now, so that one comes with the name of them. It's Baba, B-A-B-A, and then the other one is Q-U-Q-U. So that's that. Now, let's decorate my bags. So this is what I have. It's cinnamon roll. And cinnamon roll is a really cute one because it lights up. And then a while ago you saw cinnamon on here. So let's put cinnamon here today. The tote bag that we have. There you go. So cute. So let's see first how it looks like on our Birkin bag. So I'm going to put this one away. QQ. And then we're going to put this one on here. Wait, don't eat it. She thinks it's her toy. So there you go. This is the monster, Labubu monster. And then we're going to put her here. Ta-da! Oh my gosh. Go crazy, right? And then we'll put another one there. They're together anyways. Oh my god, it's so cute. It's so cute. So there you go. This is how it looks like. Ta-da! I gotta take a picture of that. So freaking cute. So this one is QQ. This one is Baba. So that's how it looks like on the Birkin. Oh, it's falling, the handle of it, because it is really heavy. So yeah, so that's that. So let's see this one on your smaller bags, if how it is relative to a small bag. Like for example, this one. This one I think it's fine because it is still kind of like small compared to it. So I'll put it on so that when you put it on like that, she's like dangling. What do you think of that? Or what we can do too is put her on here. There you go. So that when you carry her like this one, she's already dangling on the side. There's Baba. And then what you can do too is here on a tote bag, we're going to, this is easy on the tote bag because it has the space. So there you go on the tote bag. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so cute. There you go, there's the cute bag. What do you prefer? I think it really goes with the big bags like the tote and then the Birkin. Because this one, the small bags, they're going to be like not gonna be cute at all. If that one is kind of like a smaller version of it, that would be pretty. But there you go. What do you think of the Labubu monster? It's so cute. For me, it's so cute. I don't know if I'm going to get the rest of them. And then I think it's cute too for them to be together because it's kind of like a family type of thing. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo from Carlo&Seb channel. I hope you like this quick video that we have to show you the bag charm that you can have. And then this one, I think I got this one in Miniso for like $7. So yeah, so thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again. And then let's see if I'm going to collect the whole 6 of them or 7 of them. And then yeah, I'll keep you posted on that. Thank you very much for watching. This is Carlo. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share, and then follow us on our Instagram. It is Carlo&Seb. And then, so it's CarloAndseb. I will put that one on the link below so you can access that one right away. And thank you very much. We'll see you again. Bye. Thank you very much. What you can do too, like I said a while ago, is that you can, let's see if I can do this one hand anyways. So let's see. Hey. There you go. So you can put it on the side like that, or you can put it together like that, or you can put it on here like that. So yeah. Or she will attack it. She will attack it. I'll put it on here now because she will attack it, and then I'm gonna be sad if she does. Oh, you can put it, hang it on here, on the holder. Okay, there you go. So cute, so cute. There you go. Yay. Oh, of course she's there too. Oh, no, that's not your toy. That's Dada's toy. Yay!